Hey there guys, Royal Dante, and this is your Vibro from Tech Week. And so today in this video, I will be doing the review of the Phoenix VIP console 1.5. So कैसे हो भाई लोग? मैं फिर से आ गया हूँ आप लोगों का help करने और entertain करने, kind of. And so in this video, as I said, we'll be doing the review of the VIP console. So VIP console is a newer version of Phoenix mod. This is by Royal Dante. He's a great friend of mine. So let's take a look at the about tablet and let's see what are things that have been changed. So you can see the Phoenix OS version. It says VIP console V1.5. ये I guess कल release हुआ था and the developer he did consult me and he just requested me to make a video, and I want to make videos, and if any one of you developers are watching this video, please go ahead and work on this great stuff and I will surely just showcase your hard work. And so the Android version is 7.1.2. Android security patch is still the same. Kernel version is 4.19.7. And OpenGL version, you can see the name of my graphics chipset, that is the UHD Graphics 620. And also it comes with the Mesa 18.3, which has been better than the previous version. And also build number is still there, VIP release key, stuff like that. And so these are the basics of like about tablet. So let's take a look at the changelog. So basically ये जो developer है ये dark matter जैसा यहाँ पे भी Discord server है, वहाँ पे आप join करके सब लोग सब कुछ देख सकते हो. Okay, so we are inside the VIP console, so the link will be there in the description, so you can go ahead and join this Discord server. It's awesome. So announcement पे जाते हैं और scroll up करते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, so this is it. It says that the VIP console 1.5 X64 is here with some bug fixes, not a major update, but there are some bug fixes, and also the UI has been more refined. And so these are the changelog, like fix some kernel freeze issues. अगर आपका कुछ freezing और कुछ problems मिल रहा था previous version में, इसमें वो सब नहीं है, fix कर दिया गया है. Fix Bluetooth problem on some devices. So I didn't had any problems in Bluetooth. If you had any problems, it will surely just fix it. And some busy box, high box, and updated fixed Wi-Fi connection. Same. अगर आपका Wi-Fi connect नहीं होता था पहले, इसमें connect हो जाएगा most probably. Updated Mesa drivers. Okay, that's an awesome thing. And also there is a new boot animation. The boot animation is just really neat and just looks kind of dope. You know, it's really good. It is that good. Added a black themed cursor as per requested by Vibro. That's me. Tech Week. Yay, that's me. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe the button. And then we have some new wallpapers, user logo by this guy, DMAS Zax. This is the wallpaper. It says VIP in Ulta. So random fixes have been freezes have been stopped working, things have been fixed, GFs have been updated, more optimized for PUBG and Free Fire. So Free Fire fans, good news for you, yay, because you can play Free Fire in awesome FPS over here, which I don't play. Major bugs has been fixed, improved loading times, and also you have to use the NFS injector, bro. It's that good. बहुत डोप चीज़ है, आप सबको यूज़ करना चाहिए. NFS इंजेक्टर V2 जो ये डेवलपर ने बनाए हैं, Royal Dante. And added touch support. Okay, the touchpad will be working in here. No bloatwares. Yes, there is no VIP or any other kind of bullshit over in anywhere. And yeah, that's pretty much it. These are the new things, and also comes with the GFX Tool Plus, which I don't use because for me, the Panda Game Booster just works great. And if you are a Call of Duty fan, don't worry, this doesn't work for me. मैंने ट्राई किया था Call of Duty रन करने को, फिर से ब्लैक स्क्रीन, काली नज़र मेरे पे लगी है, so it didn't work out for me. So, and overall, I'm a PUBG lover, and PUBG runs really well. Let me just open this thing up and just show you a quick gameplay. And once the game starts, I will be resuming my audio recording. Okay, so the game is loading right now. So you can see the emulator detection is turned on. The black cursor that I requested over here just looks really dope. You know, this is a unique feature that made this version of a Phoenix unique, more unique than all the other kind of versions. Like our ROC has some kind of fancy looking cursor, but not as subtle as this black one. It just looks so good. So like out of the box, you're gonna get around smooth and extreme. But if you don't get upload GFX tool plus plus, you can use the GFX tool plus plus to get the smooth extreme preset, and you can just enjoy the game. And yeah, overall it runs really great. The video is in 30 frames per second. That's why you're not getting the smooth gameplay. Let me just right now close this up and tell you more about the overall OS. Well, I didn't face any kind of problems related crashing or just forced reboots. Like Wi-Fi, microphone, Bluetooth, everything is working. There is no such problems. They are also working on Prime OS. So Prime OS पे भी काम कर रहा है. बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बोला था Prime OS पे ऊपर वीडियो बनाने के लिए, पर मैं बना नहीं पाया था. पर अब बनाएंगे, हम पूरा कोशिश करेंगे बनाने के लिए. Prime OS is supported, so they're working on it. So it will be great in that place. And if you want me to make an installation video for Dark Matter as well as Phoenix VIP console for UEFI people, please help me to reach this video 100 likes, and I will surely make an installation video for you guys. It will be a detailed one. You can understand it. It will be both in Hindi as well as in English. बीच में मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूँगा आप लोगों के लिए. And for people who are staying outside, you know, I am there to help you guys out as well. And yeah, like I said, installation video, I'll be making it as soon as possible. And as soon as you guys help me to reach this video 100 likes, that's a small target that I want to achieve. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you are really interested in checking this version out, the link will be there in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. And और क्या बोले, बाकी सब तो आप लोग सुन ही चुके हो. And yeah, if you got any queries, you know how to reach me down in the comment box below. Go ahead and feel free to just ask me anything. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो guys, हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते हो, इंग्लिश में भी पूछ सकते हो. कुछ भी पूछिए आप, मैं जस्ट आपके सहायता करने के लिए हम हमेशा तैयार हैं. That's what I said, and have a great day. God bless you all, and peace.